I own a 7-figure residential and commercial cleaning business in Tucson, Arizona that averages a net profit of 18% while paying my employees and myself very well. I share this because many people throw out numbers that they are making in their business, but never really show the truth about the health of their business. In 2018, my mom was just a cleaning lady. She cleaned houses herself, but she didn't have an actual business to her name. I really wanted to retire her, I just didn't know how. So I saw the business opportunity of jumping into business with her, grabbing the 10 clients that she has, and we started Time Aid. At this time, I'll be honest with you, I was sleeping in her couch. I was 30 years old. I had no business experience, and kind of embarrassing, I had $7 to my name. So now I'm broke, unexperienced. What do? One of the biggest things I did have, I was computer savvy, tech savvy, as you can call it. In the first year, we did $14,422. In the second year, we did $157,840. And every year since then, we have increased our revenue dramatically. So now we're a 7-figure cleaning business. Now we have more than 15 employees, over 120 clients. And I never thought I was gonna make the income in the amount of time that we actually did, while still paying my employees very well and retiring my mom. One of the biggest goals, the biggest accomplishments of my life. I got to do that in 2 years, something that I would have never thought would have happened, especially when I was sleeping on that couch. So now that you know a little bit about my story, so the purpose of this channel is to help cleaning business owners grow, scale, and earn more while working less, creating that passive income that is going to give you the lifestyle that you want.